Good morning. Welcome to Math 12-4. Our objectives are: I can model fractions on a number line. I can understand fractions are numbers that represent or show parts of a whole. I can explain my thinking and show my work using academic words, numbers, and pictures. And I can defend my argument and respectfully critique the reasoning of others. Here's our launch. At a state park, there is a 1-mile hiking path between the park entrance and the beach. Scenic lookouts are located at points 1/3 and 2/3 of the distance from the park entrance to the beach. Park entrance, beach. Show about where the lookout points are located on the line below. And here's where I want you to pause the video and go to your solve and share for 12-4. Work out the problem, do your best, see what you can figure out. Don't submit it, don't close the window, because we'll come back to it later. So go ahead and pause the video now and work on solve and share. Welcome back. All right. At a state park, there's a 1-mile hiking path between the park entrance and the beach. So I like to look down and go, okay, there's state park entrance, and there's the beach. There's that 1 mile they've got for us. Scenic lookouts are located at points 1/3 and 2/3 of the distance from the park entrance to the beach. I know these are fractions. I know these fractions tell me parts of a whole. There's one part, there's two parts of this whole thing that is divided into 3 parts. So those fractions give me a lot of information to work with here. Show about, about means it doesn't have to be exact, where the lookout points are located on the line below. So there's that line below, and I'm going to see, where am I going to put that 1/3? Where am I going to put that 2/3? All right, we'll come back to that in a little bit. All right. Aaliyah divides a number line from 0 to 1 into 6 equal lengths. So she's dividing it, she's cutting it apart, equal lengths. What unit fraction? I know something about unit fractions. I know unit fractions always have a 1 for the numerator because they're just talking about 1 unit. What unit fraction represents each equal length? I know each also means 1 in math. So each, they're talking about 1 equal length. What should Malaya label the tick mark just to the left of 1? Okay, right hand, left hand, okay, to the left of 1. So I got my number line. It's supposed to be divided into 6 equal lengths. So I'm going to kind of figure, I'm going to do just some hops to 2, 3, 4. Those are bad hops. Try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to try and get as even as I can into 6 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5. And don't forget, this is 1 also. This is number 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got 6 equal parts, 6 equal lengths. What should Malaya label the tick mark just to the left of 1? Well, let me go find 1 here. Here's 1. And I want to go to the left, just to the left, meaning just that 1 right to the left, right there. What am I going to label that? How can I label that? Well, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the 5th one. So I'd say that's 5. Out of how many total? 6. So that right there is the 5/6 mark to the left of 1. Let's see what we have down here. Josh divides a number line from 0 to 1 into 8 equal lengths. 8 equal lengths. What should he label the first tick mark to the right of 0? Ooh, to the right. Okay, so let me mark that into 8 equal lengths first. Again, I'm going to be careful. I want to do 8. Well, I'll say no in the middle. I can divide all these up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, this one's number 8. That's our number 1 there. So there's our 8. Let me count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mathematician has to be precise. We've got to make sure we get those 8 marks. So the first tick mark to the right of the 0. Find the 0, just go to the first one. Well, if it's the first one, guess what? I know it's going to be labeled 1 out of how many total? 8. So I'm going to squish that over a little bit there, but there is 1/8 right there. Okay. 6 equal lengths to the left, 8 equal lengths, mark it to the right. All right. Here we go. Let's see. In 3 and 4, there's 3, there's 4. Divide, so I'm going to break apart this number line into equal parts, equal lengths. It's another word for parts right there. Lengths are parts. Then mark and label the given fraction on the number line. Okay, so equal lengths, how many of them? 2 equal lengths or 2 equal lengths, equal parts. So and mark and label. So 2 equal lengths. All right, well, I'm just going to divide this into 2. That's one whole line. I'm going to divide it in 2, okay? And I'm going to mark and label the given fraction on the number line. Well, that's going to be 1 mark, 1 part, 1 length, 1 part, out of how many? 1, 2, because it told me 2 equal parts. Well, that's 1, 2. All right, try this one. 4 equal lengths. So I've got to divide this into 4 equal parts. All right, let's see. That's 2 parts. There's 1, 2. Trying to get those even. I want to be as precise as I can. Now that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. But I want to label that's 2 out of 4. So I'm going to count. I'm going to go. There's 1. There's 2. Okay. So I'm going to label that as 2 over 4. If you have trouble with the writing, use the typing tool. It's in the solve and share too, because I could have written that as 2 over 4, and that's the same thing. That means the same thing right there. Okay? All right, so that's how to place fractions on a number line. You need to go back to your solve and share, finish that up. Independent work is the video lesson. Watch that again, watch it, and then do the practice buddy. All right, good luck. Have fun. How do I end my video? There it is.